Methodology of 8 disciplines is a work presented by Fernando Ortiz Hernandez and Iván Vázquez Anil. 8 disciplines is a tool that involves teamwork focused on the facts. This is a method that has a certain profits, such as teamwork, familiarization with the problem-solving structure, creation and expansion of a database of past failures, and lessons learned to prevent future problems, better understanding how to use basic statistics as a tool in problem solving. The efficiency and effectiveness in problem solving increase, practical understanding of root cause analysis. The problem-solving effort will be adopted in the process and methods of the organization, better ability to implement corrective actions, better ability to identify necessary systematic changes and subsequent inputs for change, more direct and open communication in discussion to solve problems, and improvement in understanding management and its resolution. We have 8 steps for the method, and we can see that these steps are in a cycle. That first we train the team, we talk about how the method works, what we are going to do, which problems we are going to try to solve. We define the problem. We also create the team. Previously, we create an interdisciplinary team that involves all levels of hierarchy in the company. This is an important aspect of this 8 disciplines method. In the third step, we develop in, containment actions to stop the problem to harm the company, the process of the company itself. So in the fourth step, we define the problem and verify the root cause. We identify potential causes, select highly probable causes, and we have to think carefully if this is the potential root cause, and we are going to identify possible corrective and permanent actions. So we choose the among the possible corrective actions, we choose the best one and implement and validate the corrective actions. We are going to validate the actions if we see a improvement in the process or in the company. Depends which problem we are working on. We can see, for example, increases in productivity or efficiency and reduce of the occurrence of the problem. Any kind of parameter we can see as a fact that reduce the effect of the problem, we are going to take it as validation of the corrective action. We prevent the recurrences by having by following the performance through time of the corrective actions we have taken. In the 8th step, we recognize the team and we have individual contributions. We congratulate the team and we make conclusions about how the problem was solved, and if we have a success. It is important to document it and to see if we can work on another problems also. This cycle of 8 disciplines is related with the Deming cycle, plan, do, act, check. As we have seen the steps before, 0, 1 is related with the plan step of Deming cycle. The 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is related with the step of do. Checked is related with the 7. Act is related with the 8. And we also have three aspects that reduce the success of the method. In the first place, we have insufficient and shallow root cause investigation, intuitive conclusions without relying on facts. This is about um, not not having a good investigation about the root cause, and also is about the lack of information about the process. Is lack of information about parameters we are going to search, or we are also hiding information. People can be hide information because they are afraid to be judged or something similar. So we have to talk with people that they are going to show all information, and we are just trying to solve the problem and to improve the workplace, and we are just trying to have a better quality of life in the workplace. So the second aspect is the application of 8 disciplines in non-systematic random errors. So this is about to choose problems that has no impact on the problems that has no impact on the process or in the company. So we have to choose problems that had uh, a major impact. We are also to choose this. This can be suppressed by using Pareto diagrams. We can also um, use the QFD methodology. And in the third place, omission of factor of motivation. Motivation is really important because we have to talk with the team that we are working with, that we are trying to improve the workplace. And motivation to is so important because without motivation we do nothing. Motivation have to be a key factor of the 8 discipline method. We have to talk with the people that we are trying to make a difference and just improving the workplace. So motivation is also at the end of this method. We have to see the facts, the the good things that we did in the process, the bad things also we have to see, and we have to focus on the positive experiences of this method of this process we have in trying to solve some problem. And also we have a parameter where we can use 8 disciplines. If we have high urgency and high importance, it's better to use 8 disciplines. If this is low urgency, it's better to use Kaizen events. The motivation indicators that shows the 8 disciplines is working on is the defects rate, the corrective actions rate, the Pokayoke This is a tool that prevent the process to see if something is going to fail. Pokayoke help us to not to follow into a mistake. The defect recurrent rate is the facts that are going to show us if the correct of this a disciplines process is working. Is if we are having a low defect rate and recurrence rate, this means the a disciplines is successful, and this methodology is good to see what are the problems that had a major impact on the process, and if we solving, we can increase productivity, we can increase the efficiency, we can reduce the defects rate, the recurrence rate, the accidents. Also, we can reduce the accident rate, and by doing this, we are improving in the workplace and raising the quality of life of the workers in a company or in a project. So we can use these 8 disciplines for improve the workplace. I hope this work is useful for you. Thank you for your attentions. We also show the bibliography we search for this work, and thank you for your attention.